Welcome. If you want to activate Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and update Google app. So just tap on the search pool and type Google. Let's choose that app and then tap on the update button. Right now we can open. Next we have to move for the more, then tap on the settings, click on the Google Assistant, and next we have to scroll down until we find general settings. And when you are here, as you can see, we can simply turn off and turn on Google Assistant by tapping on the switcher. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.